Ki armut ki stad war banya ki bala Sahkut Hawhaw hadu khandai banai na ka jingthut ka lieng sun ka baki shong ka Sunita William but u Butch Wilmore lakmi lenti bakin poi ha ka singi ba ar kata ha ka kat pratarik mentaw leber ha ka singi sa jan ka jingpin kre bandit shaw ki kalasdang da ka jingetre lang ha padeng ka NASA but ka SpaceX ka lieng sun Hawhaw jong ka company SpaceX kalakit saungut ki start wat banya ya ka Hawhaw sha ka International Space Station has ta prangap jong ka sngi ublei ka khandre trek uleber bat lakmi lenti ba ka Sunita William bat u Butch Wilmore kin hiar khando ha ka khat pratrik menta ubanai leber
Lots of cheering here in the room. Big hugs. Sunny William coming through in her blue flight suit. And followed shortly behind by Commander of Starliner Butch Wilmore. Now back on the space station, the third visit for both astronauts and the first crewed flight test of the Starliner spacecraft.
Butch, Sunny, we are glad to see them all here in International Space Station. And we want to congratulate the whole team in different mission control center for launch, for docking, and of the end, we are very happy.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, we are thrilled as well. I'm not sure we could have gotten a better welcome. I mean, we had music, we had Matt was dancing. It was great.